Okay, so really quickly, I wanted to show you, this is the, I think it's called Neretva. Where's the name of this? Neretva, I can't even say it, but you get the picture. And this, at this point, I think my air fryer is bigger than this. So you see all the settings that it has. And so I wanted to put everything in here, the tools it comes with, the instruction book, the pick, the kneader. I think this pick I used to get the bread out when it was done. And it locks in place. I just like to keep everything in there. It comes with a little scoop, the cup. And let's see if the manual tells me which one this is, because there's different kinds. There's a model number. And anyway, I wanted to keep everything in one place for you. The cord is pretty long, as you can see here. So this could hang out on your, in your kitchen, or it easily stores away. Like I said, my air fryer is bigger than this at this point. And just to give you a size comparison, if this is a regular iPad, right? I mean, that just goes to show how big it really is. So if you have a small space, a small kitchen, a studio, one of those alley kitchens, this would really work in there. Or you could always put it away when you're done with it. You can store it away. When you want to use it again, pull it back out. So I hope this works. Now I am going to link the video that helped me with the different recipes, because I would not recommend the manual. The manual was so confusing. So here you see all the ingredients in the machine. And then I stopped it so that you could see it working. And then the different settings here. And here you go. Here's the finished product. Hope you like it. If you do end up getting a bread maker, please let me know what you got and let me know how you like it. Although I will say being able to make bread is kind of dangerous. If you like this channel, please subscribe and tell your friends about it. Thank you. Bye.